All right, everybody, welcome. We got some snow geese flying. We have had the Arctic blast come through, basically shooting my arrow after the blizzard that we just had last night. Got about 12 inches, 24 inches in some drifts, plenty of plowing to snow, or plenty of plowing that I had to do yesterday and this morning. But now, with all that being done, we're gonna shoot some arrows. I'm going to start out at 20. Okay. Looks like it might be just a little bit to the right there. I'm gonna shoot another one just to make sure. Yep, we're right. That's all right. We'll fix that real quick. Okay, see what that does. We're probably about 4 inches to the right, so maybe 6, something like that. Yeah, we got a lot closer on that one. I'd say that's about right there. So one more for good measure. I'd say that's pretty good. Let's go on down here and check them out. All right, as you can see, these are my second two arrows. These are my first two. We was a little right. It was actually a little high too, but looks like we're getting it dialed in here. Just letting my hands warm back up here for a second. But I'll tell you, I found these about 30 bucks, hand warmers, and they work wonders. I got them on setting 2 right now. It's 20 degrees outside. Sun's going down behind the camera, and I can feel my hands warming up with these. They feel good. Touching that carbon just don't feel good pulling them arrows out of them targets. But yeah, they're about 30 bucks on Amazon. Pretty cool. Come with a rechargeable case too, just like your AirPods headphones. It's pretty cool. But let's get back to shooting. I moved the camera back. We're going to shoot at 40 now. Also, if any of you are wondering where I got some of my gear, this hand muff, pistol holder, it's all marsupial gear, enclosed bino harness. All 3 pieces came from them. I got the bow hooks on here too. Hold the bow from the string. That way if you need to grab your binos. I personally do not have the rangefinder. Main reason being, I've got the Furies, the Vortex Furies range-finding binos, so I do not need a rangefinder. I just always, in my opinion, thought the less I have to carry into the woods, the less I pack back out. So You know, a rangefinder doesn't add a lot of weight, but having to range something with your rangefinder, put it in, that's also another reason why I got the range finding sights, those Garmin A1i Pro, so that way I didn't have to mess with that. To me, it's more ethical to shoot the animal with those sights than ranging it, grabbing your bow, oh shit, it moved. Well, we're going to take an educated guess. It may have moved 5 yards back, it may have moved 2, but you don't know. You know, for most of the guys that are on YouTube, those guys shoot daily. I'm going to try to shoot daily. Don't get me wrong. I'm going to practice and practice and practice and practice, because that's the only way to become better. So let's go ahead and we're going to start shooting at 40 now. That sounded like a pretty good hit. Sounds good, looks good. I'll do one more. And then we'll go take a look. All right. Let's go take a gander. That third one might be a little bit screwed up. That might have been mine. All right, as you can see again, we got a pretty decent group at 40. It's not the best. A little high and a little right still. So probably going to move my sights to the right and maybe up a little bit too. So, all right. We're going to get one at 60 here and see how it goes. That sounded pretty good. Let's try another. Might have been a little low. All right, well, let's go check that out and see how it was. Might look at it right now. Looks like we're right. Still right, just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna do one more shot here at 60 for you, and hopefully you can pick up the blue streak in the air. I'm gonna shoot a halo lighted knock out of these UV 1K airs, down there at that target with the light already on. Solar already came on that one. Don't know why the other 3 haven't yet, but they will. They'll come on. Man, that was sweet. Sounded good too. That's pretty much going to be the gist of the video today. I would like to start doing some night shooting out here. I think it'd be pretty cool. But anyways, if you got any questions, like, comment, subscribe, man. You know, I enjoy doing this. It's a hobby of mine. I enjoy target archery, but obviously I love putting animals down with my bow. But just hit that like button. I'd sure appreciate it. Thanks.